Now, I always say this to you, okay? Don't hurry in dating Filipinas when you first ever come here in Philippines. Okay? Just do scouting. Mm. Because if you are in hurry, then you will not see the red flag. And the second is, if you start dating a Filipina, first things first, they will impress you. They will never ask you for money in the first date. No, they won't. So don't engage in a relationship first. Just go out dating, see and seek. And before you engage a relationship with that Filipina, make sure you do some research. Just include with the neighbors and heresies and whatever the heresies from people around her. Because it will be trouble to you. So whatever the people say to you, you will ask her directly, and she can't deny